Hi there, I'm Jennifer from Social Apartment. Welcome back today for another cocktail video. We're here at Neighbours Meguro, our very new social apartment. Here you have your own exclusive bar counter and lounge where you can be a bartender yourself. So for those of you who are not a big fan of alcohol, today I'll be showing you how to make a Shirley Temple, the non-alcohol cocktail. Did you know that this drink was named after a famous child actress? No? I'll let you Google on that one. Alright, so first, fill the glass up with half of ginger ale. And the rest with Sprite. Make sure to put some room on top so that you can put the syrup in. Next, put the straw. And gently pour out the grenadine syrup. Let it sink to the bottom. Just garnish with the lime. There it is. It's a Shirley Temple. Enjoy! This one's on me.